Selling a property is a process that can be pretty inconvenient, especially if your timing isn't lining up. But that's exactly why we created the trade-in program. You see, usually selling your property looks a little something like this. You get the home ready to be shown, you wait for a buyer to come through, but this could take several weeks or months. And if you're facing any of these following situations, it can get very stressful. Maybe you're buying and selling a house at the same time, but you need to sell your existing house first. Or maybe you're buying new construction. You don't have a firm date set to close, or maybe you just don't want to go through the hassle and the process of a long, drawn-out traditional sales process with many showings, open houses, and always having the house ready for tip-top shape. Well, our trade-in program was best suited to address any of those situations by allowing you to separate the buying and selling process so that you can do one transaction at a time. And here's how it works. We first analyze your situation and get you underwritten for your dream home loan. Once you are approved, we will fund the purchase of your next home with our funds as a cash buyer, which will allow you to make a very strong offer and close confidently without contingencies. Now, once your new house is purchased, you can move into it. And it's at that time, then we'll begin preparing the old house ready for the market to sell it for top dollar. And once it's ready, we'll get it listed and then find a buyer for that property. Eventually, your old home will be sold. And once it is, you can officially buy your new house into a mortgage from our investor. See, our program gives you the ability to purchase your next house without having to sell your existing house first or going through any of the inconveniences of a traditional sales process. You don't have to settle on your next house because of poor timing, and you can actually take your time finding the dream home that you really want using our trade-in program. So if you're interested in getting started or selling your property in a more convenient way, then click the link or follow the instructions next to this video and get started now. Someone on our team will be in touch with you to start walking you through all of your options.